Hello foodies, welcome to my homemade tasty treats. So today let's make the one dough recipe. The one dough recipe is three different types of recipe. The one is cutlet, another is a nugget, and the third one is patty. You can even have it for your burger. Yes, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please look onto the screen, click the red subscribe button and click the bell icon so you'll be notified by all my recipes. Please do subscribe guys. Today I've took about 2 cups of cauliflower. You can even take any cup and measure it, but use a large cup. So today I've took about 3 cup of water in a bowl to cook the cauliflower. You can even add any other vegetables to it to make it more healthy. Now I'm going to add the cauliflower to the bowl. So let's cook it. So now let's place it on the stove and cook it. Don't cook it completely. So keep it on the stove and let it boil for about 2 minutes, and after that close it with a lid and leave it for about 6 minutes. It should not be fully cooked. Make sure you must take the cauliflower when it's half cooked. So now get a sieve and filter the water from it. After removing the water, keep the cauliflower at the room temperature for about 30 minutes. Take another bowl. So let's make the spices. Add 2 medium-sized chopped onion. Add 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves. And add about 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. If you don't have it, you can even add 2 small pieces of ginger and 2 small pieces of garlic cloves to it. And add about 1 tablespoon of chili powder. You can even add the spices according to your taste. Now let's add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, or you can even add a pinch of it. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, or you can even add a pinch of it. Now add some salt to taste. It's according to the quantity of the dough. Now give it a good mix. Make sure the spices are mixed very well. Now let's add about 2 tablespoons of curd to it. There is no need to add hung curd. You can even add the normal curd to it directly from the cup. Now give a good mix and add the mixture to the food processor or a mixer grinder, and add the cauliflower by batch and make it into a coarse paste. Yes, now the mixture is ready. Let's add about 1 cup of breadcrumbs. If you don't have breadcrumbs, don't worry. Take about 4 to 6 bread slices and put it in the food processor or a mixer grinder and make it into a fine powder and add to the dough. The dough is ready. When you make a ball out of it, it should remain the shape. So it's ready now. Now take about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or corn flour and add about 4 tablespoons of water to it and mix well without lumps. Now let's make the patties. Make into a round ball and flat it, and let's dip in the corn flour mixture. This step involves breadcrumbs and it is a must for it. Dip it in the corn flour mixture and roll it in the breadcrumbs. It's ready. The patties are ready to fry, and the next step is do it as a cylindrical shape for the nuggets. And the next is cutlets. Don't dip the cutlets into the corn flour mixture or roll it in the breadcrumbs. There is no need for it. So now the 3 recipes are ready. Now let's refrigerate it for 20 to 25 minutes in the fridge. And the next step is keep a pan, add about 1/4 cup of oil and shallow fry it till it's golden brown. It's a one dough recipe but gives you 3 different recipes: cutlets, patties and nuggets. Patties are special for your burgers. Yes, if you like the recipe, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my homemade tasty treats channel. Homemade is the best. and please do subscribe. And if you have any doubts, feel free to comment in the comment section below. Thank you.